Orderhive provides default shipping label templates. However, if they don't fit your requirements, then you have the option to customize templates. Please note that this shipping label templates can be used for shipments whose tracking details have been entered directly in Orderhive. For the ones that have been created using any integrated shipping courier service, the label will be downloaded in the format sent by the shipping courier. First, to view default shipping labels, go to Settings and click on Shipping. Then scroll down to Shipping Label Templates and click on Preview to see how the template will look like. Now for creating a custom template, first go to Settings and scroll down to Shipping. Click on Create Shipping Label Template. You can change or add details such as name of the templates, page size of the template, header and footer of shipping label page, header and footer of shipping label, and details of the items on label. To make changes in each parameter, you will have to code to adjust the spacing, fonts, colors, etc. in HTML. In all these parameters, values can be inserted like shipment details, order details, package details, item details as required. Once you have entered necessary details, you can preview the template. Finally, save it to add to your templates. Please note that Orderhive can also customize templates for you at standard charges. That's all for custom shipping label templates. If you have any further questions, click on the chat icon to get in touch with our product expert. Happy selling!